Alright guys, I really don't know how we went offline, but I hope you guys can still see me. So back to it, I just need to refresh this. Okay, so right here, based on what I was saying before, right here we have to give it you have to give this schema based on what the let me enlarge this a little bit, and let me bring this one down here. Okay, so right here we have our schema saying we need to have a title and a description. As you can see, we have a title and description. So don't let this fool you, because right now we have some for pages and others for blog. Okay, so this will be totally different from this one right here. So but from our pages, which we're going to have some for about, some for home, and some for projects. So we're going to have all basic. What I'm trying to say is that all of them is going to have the same structure. Make sure. So right here, that's all this explanation is. So right here is, and then you map all your content this way as well. So that's basically how to. It's as simple as that. Okay. So here is the home page, but page.tsx right here. So it's even if I run this, as you can see in my terminal right here, even if I run this, as you can see in my terminal right here, is still there's nothing running. There's nothing running. Okay. So what you need. So right now. So what we're going to do is I need to go back to my project. Original one running in a different tab. Okay, so let me create the home page. So right here you need to come. So that's basically most of the thing you're going to need, and in the upcoming, like as we keep on with this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys other functionality, like you know, from the projects. Let me see. I think it's inside the work or about something like that. Yeah, I showcase every other stuff I work with. So just hold on, take some time. I don't know, it's kind of slow, but before that, so we need to create the home page. So right here, we need to do the home like so, and that's hit enter. So in Nextjs, this is called, okay, as you can see, I have not created that one. So let me just click on the project. So in Nextjs, this is called grouping, like your organized folder structure. So if anything you want to add in the home, this is how you add them, but it doesn't affect the URL. So what you need to do is create so everything looks so good right now. So right here we'll create a home and a page, a .csx like so, a .csx like so. Okay. Okay. So the first thing you need to do is so this is some other packages you're going to need. Like we're not going to be obviously showing like using all these images. We're not going to be using it. We're not going to be using it inside our project, as you can see right here in our public. Inside our project, as you can see right here in our public, we don't have all those images right here. So we're going to be like using like a second party service for this for this. So I hope you guys stay tuned and you're ready for this our amazing journey. So let's start. Okay. So down here, we're going to like I need to set my stuff right properly. So up here, let me close the sidebar. So if you are still confused or you're new, just make sure you create a new Nextjs app. Okay, make sure you create a new Nextjs app and follow the like I did a first video, which I don't know why the stream went off. So you can follow that. You can follow the whole process from there. Okay. Is there any other thing I would like you guys to know about? Come here. No, nothing. So here we are just having. Okay, you don't mind. Do not worry about this. I will show you guys how to use the next thing. Okay. So apart from that, there's nothing much for you to worry about. Everything is just everything else is just the same. Okay. So I'll come back to all of this once. Okay. So don't just leave your project the way it is. So I think we'll be doing more of a live streaming. They create metadata, which apparently we're going to like. Okay, for now let me just use the create metadata. I'm going to show you guys how the file looks like. So it's going to be coming from the lib, because that is where I stored it, metadata. So let's go to our lib. So here is our lib. As you can see, we have a metadata.cs file. So this metadata is just that's from what's it called, for metadata from Nextjs. So we're adding some modification to it. Okay. And right here, if you understand, we are omitting some properties from the metadata, which are description and the title, because we want to, specifically use ours, as you can see. And also we have to OG text and all of that stuff. So there's nothing like serious going on much right here. It's just the same flow. So that's exactly what I was importing from this. I'm importing to this page.txt. Okay. Okay. And then import all pages. Okay. Okay, so all pages from. So we're going to be importing this from the content collections. Okay, so let me just do that very quick. So we're going to import all pages from content collections, and also we're going to import the metadata type, so we can use it compatibly with the others. So right here we want to, as you can see, right, we have like free, is it free? We've got like 1, 2, 3, 4 pages. So we want to grab the one we will most likely use for our home page, which is this one. Okay, so what we do is say const page, all pages. Why is it? That's find page dots page dots underscore meta. Why all pages? Which is this? Okay, so here we are looking metadata. If you go to the document, if you go to the documentation site for the content collection, you're going to understand like all these. A document have a metadata property from which it acts if you can decide if there is a file name, if there's a file path, if there's any other information. Like it's an object where you get to choose what you're looking for. The one name the file name, the one name the file name that is equivalent to the home.mdx, like so. Okay, so right here if I say okay, so right here if I say boron div, I'm probably going to throw me some error, but we're going to get that fixed soon. Okay. So if there is no page, right here, command station also not found. Why is it like doing that to me? Why is this? I think there is a problem with this. Here, reload the window. Let me reload my windows. So we're going to like export const metadata. Metadata. Page title. Description.